This How to 1 Minute will show you how to allow authors to revise published posts in WordPress. First of all, we want to install and activate a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here revision manager and search for it. And this is the actual plugin we are looking for, revision manager TMC. Install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, hover over on settings and click on revision manager TMC. Post types, select post. Capability section, copy creation capability. I'm selecting here edit post, and here selecting publish post. Rule for notification, select any rule here, and now you can merge date with revision from here. So customize this plugin settings here, and now click on update settings. And now I'm going to log into my author admin dashboard, and as you can see right now I'm in my author admin dashboard, and now I'm going to my post section, and here I can easily create revision for any post. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.